This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps Lifecycle. Imagine you are running a kitchen in a busy restaurant. To keep things running smoothly, you need good communication, efficient processes, and the right tools. The DevOps lifecycle in software development is lot like running that kitchen. Here you can see the different stages of DevOps lifecycle: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Then all these steps will be repeated. Step 1 is plan, like planning your menu and deciding what dishes you will serve. In software, developers and operation teams plan the features and updates needed for the software. The second step is code, similar to writing down recipes and instruction for each dish. In software, developers write the code for the new features or updates. Third step is build. It is like gathering all the ingredients and preparing them for cooking. In software, code is compiled and assembled into a build. It is nothing but a version of the software that can be tested and used. Fourth step is test. It is similar to taste testing the dishes to ensure they are good before serving them to the customers. In software, the build is tested to find and fix bugs and ensure it works correctly. Fifth step is release. It is like putting the finished dishes on the serving line, ready to be taken to the customers. In software, the tested build is deployed to the production environment where it can be used by end users. Sixth step is deploy. It is like serving the dishes to the customers. In software, the new release is made available to the users and the software is updated. Seventh step is operate. It is like managing the kitchen during the service, making sure everything runs smoothly. In software, the software is monitored to ensure it is running smoothly and any issues are addressed quickly. Eighth step is monitor. It is like keeping an eye on the dining area, listening to customers' feedback and ensuring the customers are happy. In software, continuous monitoring of the software performance and user feedback to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Now we will see why DevOps is needed. Just like in busy restaurant where chefs, wait staff and managers need to work together seamlessly. DevOps ensures that software development and operation teams collaborate effectively. This collaboration helps in delivering high quality software quickly and reliably. By following the DevOps lifecycle, companies can deliver updates and new features faster, improve the quality and reliability of their software, respond quickly to user feedback and issues, ensure better communication and collaboration between the teams. So the DevOps lifecycle is all about continuous improvement and efficient teamwork, just like running the successful kitchen in a restaurant. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.